guys, we're back in another video, and today we're here back with my friend, or my cousin, London.
None of your beeswax.
Alright, let's see. We started a game. I was in the busy of starting the video, so that's why we're in the middle of a game. But so as you see, she got like an armor pack. She got that like I don't think in a month. Was it?
It's the Galaxy one or something?
She got the Galaxy one. I'm pretty sure in a month, like a month ago.
The Vortex one, yeah.
The Vortex one. Let's see. I'm backing up just in case if he minds us. What? We shouldn't be fighting on the bridge. He doesn't think I don't got a health potion. Where'd he?
I don't have one either. He's like at 1 health.
Dumb. I made dumb fall.
So
It's only us. Let's just mine. So
I'm not gonna do silent because
if you wanna shout out, leave your name, your Roblox name, or mostly whatever name in the comments down below. Like
what is a YouTube name or just comments or
you
something?
can do your new YouTube name, your Roblox name, your real name. Choose. You can choose. You got that island. Okay.
Hey. You
I
have
know.
your own.
So you can put your YouTube name, your Roblox name, or if you want to do all of them, you can. I'll just shout them all out. Alright, so that island's already mine. All of the island. Oh, that island is mine. Why am I taking my sword?
Those guys were like really skilled.
So my cousin got more, like much more better. Oh, you got the win.
Did you fall on purpose?
No, you can check my video thingy. I didn't fall. So let's see.
No, there was emeralds right there.
You could have got it, but should I?
Yeah, it's called the Vortex armor.
So if you got, let's talk about it. All right, guys. So we made a deal. If we hit 200 likes, I'll give London a face reveal. And if this might be a might. It might be a might. But if we hit 400 likes, I'll give a face reveal to Brian. And if we hit 500 likes, I'll give a face reveal to Christy. Oh, you fell.
Okay. That was
So,
awkward.
if you don't know all those people, those are my friends that I play with when I record YouTube videos. And you might have met them. Yeah. And you might have met them in another video. And make sure to go check my videos out. And and please like and subscribe.
What did you say?
I know what I said. They know what I said.
No,
I said
what
I
you
said.
say?
I said please like and subscribe.
Oh, I thought you said something else. Hey, someone's trying to...
I killed both of them. I killed 2 people. I killed 2. Wait, no. I killed 2 teamers.
No! This guy, I am at 1 horse.
I got him.
No.
Run. I run.
No.
Run. Oh, you're dead?
No. Did you make it?
I'm trying to get him. Come on.
Come on, he's at 1 heart. No, he's mining. No.
You're lucky I'm a parkour pro.
Let me get my armor on. Where's the last person?
They got me good.
No. He's definitely gonna win.
Let me see, I'll think about it. I'll be right back. I need to grab a drink of water. Got some water, I'm choking.
Wait, let me
It's
see
fine.
his stats. Wait,
Alright.
he's the top of the server.
So no. We can't team. There's no way we're teaming. We can't team. No.
You say it then, because I already said sure.
No. No.
Jace becomes Ben.
Nah, he's just... Okay. Say no. So no, you, sir. Oh, so we playing... Alright, he's right beside me. I'll get you soon, London.
Wait, but we're not... Oh, wait, is that you?
Yeah, I'm tiring up to get him. Oh, we
No,
playing...
you're trying to get me. There's a guy that looks like you. He has your same armor, the same pecs, and he has black hair.
Alright, try to get him. I'm after this dude.
This noob.
Ah, he got me. He got me good. Probably when we get to 10 minutes in the video, we'll probably switch over to a new game. Alright.
Alright. Oh my gosh. Dad is great.
Jay doesn't want the team. Go that guy. Who's Dad around?
I don't know, dude. Who is last?
That dude over there?
What dude over there?
Like, beside you? He's in the
What
middle.
dude?
He's building to the middle.
I'm just gonna let him be. If he comes to me, he comes to me. If he doesn't, he doesn't.
And the noob is over there.
Oh
No.
my god, he's coming to me.
Okay. Wait, are they teaming?
I don't know. And I don't know why they find
Kill him.
He's gonna do that trick. I just know he is.
Alright, get down, now. Yeah.
No!
No!
Different game now. Different game now. Different game now. Different game now.
Okay. Oops, alright, let me go over here. 1 second.
Wait.
I'll stay on that home page for a little.
Do you want to try Demon Fall?
Huh?
Do you want to try Demon Fall?
Demon Saw?
Yeah.
What is that?
Do you know Demon Slayer?
No, I want to play this game. It's called Floppy.
Okay.
Floppa. Floppa. Alright, so we're gonna play some Floppa.
What?
Type in Raising Floppa.
Raise a Floppa?
Yeah.
But there's no action in that game.
Yeah, there is.
Raise a Floppa is one server size.
I know. It's fine. Come on, Floppa. Give me
Do you
some.
want to play by yourself, Dad?
It doesn't make a difference, though. Do you want to play by yourself?
No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh! Money's stacking over here. Alright, let me see. Let's enter the browser. Grab some food. Purchase. Buy roommate. I got me a roommate. Thank you. Let's enter a browser. Oh, I forgot. Thank you for the money, floppa.
Ooh.
Ew, he poo-poo. My floppa poo-poo.
Yo.
Yeah?
How much is your rent? My rent is $50. So, I'm raising your rent. I can't
Roommate,
afford it.
give me my money. I think it's time. I haven't paid attention. Yo. Give me rent.
Yo.
Rent is
Give
due.
me rent.
Alright, it's not tomorrow yet.
Are you stack talking? Rent is due when I say rent is due. Wait. We can do. Never mind.
What?
I was gonna say we can play together, but it says up to 4 people. Oh, Floppa, give money! Floppa, give money! Let me clean their litter box. You don't want a dirty litter box. And let me fill up your bowl. Oh, I need to buy you food? Well, that's $50.
Alright, I got all that. All this. Huh?
I don't know. I need this guy to give me rent.
Her floppa's gonna starve. She needs rent.
No!
She got me. He got me a money bag.
No! Please! Please! I don't want you to die! Oh my gosh.
Is he Oh, I just noticed my hunger!
My
Floppa!
floppa died because my stupid roommate didn't pay rent. I'm getting a roommate again.
Her floppa died. I make sure I take good care of floppa.
How did your flop die?
My floppa didn't die.
But it did.
Is it morning yet? I want my rent. It's not morning.
My floppa keeps dying. I need wait, money.
Wait, no!
I can tap you for money. Okay. Give me money so that you won't starve. Bugs, floppa for money.
Come! No! Go to the telephone. Go to the telephone.
Give me money.
No.
Okay, have enough.
No, go to the telephone.
What?
Go to the telephone.
What telephone? Oh, there it is.
And press join.
But I don't want to play with other people.
You don't want to play with me?
I do. I only want to play with you.
Yeah.
Wait.
Go to the telephone and press join. Join server.
Join server. What is the code?
I have to find the code. The code is.
Wait, what? I just created a server. Do you want the code?
1 second, then I'm gonna have to leave and rejoin, okay?
Wait.
Exit. We just found something out. Well, we're gonna have to end the video here, guys. Sorry. But
Tell me when.
see ya.